All right. All right. Post. Wow, 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 wow. All right. And excellent, excellent, excellent. Elixir. All right, there we go. Dan, man, I'm so early. Dan, you just barely beat the announcement. Yo, E, checking in on twitch.tv. Oh, what up? Hey, Artem. All right, so here's where we are right now, chat. Okay. We are, we're running some Elixir code here. This should be working. Does this still work? I don't remember if this was E6, E7, E6. We got the parse move. Why didn't we do anything with that? I don't remember. Did we not set this up? R2D2. Okay, see, we doing chess. Why did that not work? A2, A3. Okay, we'll refresh the game and try this again. A2, A3. Okay. I don't remember. Oh, right here. No function clause matching inline broadcast. The heck is this? Fen update. What is this? Did I save something wrong when I just restarted everything? We'll have to see. Terminal chess event. Terminal server. Chess server 61. Chess server 61. I was showing Prime how we would get type errors for this. Oh, apparently I saved it and closed it. Oh. I was like, I'm pretty sure this was working, chat. Okay, there we go. It turns out if you just send 5. Oh, man. Just send 5, Keck W. Send 5. Evist, I'm good. How about you? Greetings from Vancouver, British Columbia. Hey, isn't that where... Is that where they filmed Psych? Chat, you gotta be fast. You gotta be quick if you want the moves. If you want the moves to get in. You see, I wasn't actually airing. I was showing Prime what airing out looks like. Exactly. I was trying to give him a taste of what watching his stream looks like. Greetings from South Florida. Is that a new state? Do we have North Florida, South Florida? Who are we playing against? Each other. Right now, it just alternates chat moves. So if you can play both sides of the board, chat. The North Florida, just Alabama. You're playing with yourselves. Or me. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Zoom, zoom, bink, bonk, 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 bonk. So I can move. We play on the same board. We play on the same board, chat. So now if you guys send a move, it'll go here. We can make it so that's you guys versus me. Let's try and do that. Should we try and do that? I feel like we should. Um, 1 million chessboards. We could do that too. But it's already been done. What if we did 1,000,001 chessboards though? Yeah, baby, hold on. I'm just playing 70 against 1 chat with a Lua enjoyer. Just flipboard perspective. It doesn't do anything right now, but it will flip the perspective later. 1 billion chessboards. We'll play a quick 3-minute chess. I'm down. I'm down 60 elo right now. I was climbing, and then I played at night. Chat, don't play at bedtime. Do not play at bedtime. Ooh, shoot, I needed to move this first. I messed up my London opening already. I'm so bad. Yes, yes, take my pawn with a knight, idiot. Take my pawn with a knight. I dare you. I double dog dare you, idiot. Actually, we'll get our queen into play here. Oh, sorry. I can't, Dax. Dax, can you hear me? You're live on twitch.tv, the everything application. Okay, nice. Well, I'm playing chess right now, so we're in big trouble. I'll have to call you back later. All right, bye. Yep, sounds good. We have no Dax audio. That's a relief, because he just shared his true feelings about Prime, and it was rough. Rough. Oh, we're gonna get him now, boys. You think this will trick me? Do you think this will trick me? I go here. Checkmate, atheists. Oh, you think that's gonna scare me? You think that's gonna scare me? Boom! We got him, boys. We got him. Oh, he's flustered now. Look at the time running out. Look at the time running out. He's flustered. He's flustered. I'll take your piece. I'll take your piece. That's actually perfect for me, because then I can trade queens and I'm up big now. Classic Hungarian L. This guy's from India. What are you talking about? Zoom. Pow. I'll trade queens. Do it. He didn't do it. He didn't do it. I'll go here then, fool. I'll take the check again. I'll take the check again. Boom. We'll go here. What you gonna do now? Oh, I just traded my queen. Dang it, I fell for it. I wasn't paying enough attention. I was too busy trash talking. I'll just trade. I'll trade because I'm tilted now. I hate this game. This game sucks. No. Zoomp! You got nothing now. You can take that piece like I care. Boom! Check. Boom! I'll take the piece. I'll take the piece. Boom! Do something. I dare you. I dare you. Check. I literally did it again. I was not. I know I could literally see it here. I actually still should have won here. That's the funny part. I shouldn't have won, dude. I definitely could have won this. We're gonna get him on time, boys. We're gonna get him on time. This time, chat, I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm gonna go right here. Now we'll see what he does. What you got now? What you got now, huh? What you got now, punk? We'll go here. Okay, I go here. I go here. I can't go there. I can't. Oh no! What a blunder. What a blunder. I've blundered so hard. I've blundered so hard, chat. I've blundered so hard this game. No, we can still win on time. We can still win on time. Okay. All right, I gotta be honest. That was a huge throw. That was a huge throw. That was a huge throw. We'll go one more round. This time I'll win. This time I'm focused. I'm warmed up now. I'm warmed up. We can still win on time. We can still win on time. Checkmate. Checkmate, atheist. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we got him this time. All right. Okay, we got to lock in and focus. We got to lock in and focus. If we lose this round now, after that, I am going to be devastated. He just donated his queen. He just straight donated his queen on that one. Claude 4? No mistakes. I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna try and start trading some pieces. What is he gonna try and do here? Sir, what are you doing? You have no pieces left. Okay. Actually, I think I'm better off just well, actually we'll go here. I'm gonna get some rooks in play here. Okay, he's gonna try and do something. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with that guy? Check. Ah, yes. I need to make sure I don't blunder this game away here because I will be so sad. Let's go here. I'm gonna start attacking some of his other. Oh, he sacrifices the king. He sacrifices the king. Easiest 8 elo of my life. He probably heard of me. I'm really tearing up the 400 to 500 elo range here of blitz or whatever mode this is. I don't even know. With the opponent 30 seconds ago, we'll get him on time. They probably saw me. There's a new Gotham chess video coming out about this game soon. I've never seen chess like this before. Levy's dumbfounded. Oh. Okay. All right. We'll play into some more matches later. And he sacrificed the game. Did you watch the DHH podcast with Friedman? It didn't even, I haven't even had it. If I started it from when it launched till now, I wouldn't even have. Yo, Monocron, thank you. Oh my goodness. Where is my chat? Why is this not going here? Where are my notifications? Test? Why? I broke it. I don't know. I don't understand. Mono, thank you. It made me want to Ruby myself and start a family with the wife. Well, one of those two is definitely a good option. Teej chess arc. Bro, it's my favorite crossover, Teej and Gotham. You could have taken Z when he refused trade. Oh, chat. Let me tell you something. I'm not that good at chess. Mordoria Monday. We're actually working on chess, but then when we started playing. The language dies in 3 weeks if Prime doesn't switch to another. I know. Okay. So where are we now? We need to do a few things for our chess game before we can get much further. Number one, we need to create lobbies. Okay? I have a Prime on Lex, DHH on Lex, Logical and Snaps is Teej on Lex. I would be happy to go talk to him. I love talking to everybody. Okay, we need to create a lobby. We need to create lobbies, chat. Voice chat. Voice chat, dude. Should we add voice chat? Imagine chess with voice chat, dude. COD. You have to click a button whether you want COD lobby or not, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, here's a button here. You click this to say, I accept COD lobby. Like, it's like, which one are you going to pick? Imagine Dota 2 voice chat for chess. You can talk to the enemies for respectful post-game conversation. COD lobby by default. Teej, I'm talking about how bad is Prime Podcast. What if, oh my goodness, the funniest option would be me and Lex watch Prime's podcast and we criticize it and react to it. Oh man. Respectful post-game review would be so funny. Okay. Check mate. Okay, now the sounds are coming back. I don't know what happened. Prime React to DHH would be 12 hours. Exactly. Teach speedrunning Lex podcast. That would actually be hilarious. A 20-minute, 15-minute conversation with Lex. That's the whole podcast. Were we programming an Elixir? We are right here. Okay, so I just realized we need to go back to here. Let's start looking at how this is going. So first things first, I realized this chat.move here, this is not actually what we want to do. This is a bad move. The reason this is a bad move, this needs to be associated with a game. So this is actually this whole thing. This is very cool. I wrote just a few macros earlier here. So this should be chess game with an ID, I think. And we go here, whoops. And then this is field ID. Yeah. Does it support on facade? Of course, because we're using someone else's chess engine. We're not gonna make our own thing. I did some mining out of camera type of vibes. Exactly, yeah. But I did it on stream. It was on stream. We just wrote a few macros. Just a few macros. Just a few. I made myself my own little DSL. And it works pretty nice. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we had, I think, chat.move. We need to go find the spots where we had this. This is no longer right. Because this needs to have a game associated with it. That's okay, Maya. It's all right. It's an acceptable one. I really shouldn't stream unless Shy Rai is here. You know? It's just a macro. It's just a macro. So basically what this does is this makes the important parts here. What's common in this language? I was writing a lot of Lua this weekend. So now we have fen update. So we can do something like this. Fen broadcast, and then you could go like this. Update, like this, right? You have broadcast move, like this. Oh, but this needs to be changed completely too. This should be like game. Both of these are game. This is but that's the confusing part. This is like lobbies, maybe. Lobbies, new, end, something like this. Lobby. This is gonna be game. So you go like game broadcast, game update, but you also have game.subscribe. The cool thing about this is game subscribe to all the events that happen inside of this topic. Use match instead of game. Oh, is that what people say? Match? Well, I'm happy to update my lexicon for chess, chat. I'm using Super Maven. How is Teej hiding his Cluely overlay? Shoot. I've got it. I have the new Cluely contacts, chat. New Cluely contacts. So we'll make a new lobby. How does this work? So let's go to docs. Do I have a chess? All right, we'll make a chess.md. Chess. All right, so how does this work? You have a You make a new lobby. Lobby has a has 2 Twitch players. Actually, probably should not even make it so that there's which one is white and black. We'll do that inside of the lobby info. So you just say Twitch user 1. What is a lobby? It's going to be where you're playing a game, because this is going to support multiple games at once. Chess party. Can't tell what the best word in English to describe this. My favorite readme files are written by AI. Same. Is def event a macro? Sure is. What is the def topic event macros? That's what well, we'll get back to that in a sec. First, let's decide how we're going to structure this. Then I'll go over how the macros work. Lobby has 2 Twitch players. And lobby has a current game, basically, right? So instead we have like a lobby ID. Player 1. So this is, I hate having Twitch player 1 and Twitch player 2. Doesn't that just seem disgusting? Is there a better name for this? Multiple instance of Chessy. Yes. We're productionizing the Chessy game. It's the numbers. Blech. Should I say player 1 and 2? This looks better. Looks like an extraction on Phoenix channels. I do think some of these could turn into channels. Player 1, player 2 actually looks better. Chessy Enterprise. No one said Chessy. We're saying Chessy. But the thing is, they can switch between being white and black between different games, I think. Because what I want to do is basically this. You enter into a lobby with another Twitch player, right? And then inside of a lobby, what can you do? You can make a new game, make a move, end the game, stuff like this, right? And then the lobby will figure out what needs to happen inside of here. Honestly, some of this could be a channel. Secret player 3 in chaos mode. First player, second player. Ooh, first player, second player. That does. 1 and 2 actually don't look so bad. Let's look up Phoenix channels again. Because this is possible that this could work better. The thing with this that I don't like is this still doesn't give me any nice, like, here's the events. Like, personally, I get that people do this, but I hate this. I want structs. Ryan told me you might have some performance issues, and I said, that's fine. Everybody has those sometimes. What does that have to do with chess? Schema player, do Twitch field, string field, color, ecto, white, black. True, that's probably not a bad idea as well. How does one not use structs? Well, you can pass them with tuples or string just directly, like you can do this. But for me, I'm not a good enough Elixir writer to do that yet. Field player 1 embeds 1 player. Schema player. It's confusing though, because then once we play, I always want to have a white player and a black player. But embeds 1 player is crazy. So I can go field player 1 embeds 1 player like this. Can I put this? I've never even seen this before. Embeds 1. That's an Ecto thing. Wait, that was not Ecto. I want to go to Ecto. Elixir. Wrong hex docs. That's unhelpful. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. There's got to be Embedded schemas. Here we go. You went to the type definition. Well, I typed embeds 1. Okay. You're maintaining immediate state data when UI form field match multiple table database. You are working within a persistent parent schema. You want to embed data simple, like a map. Changes often. Requires complex tracking values like an address inside. User profile example. I'm looking.
Actually, my favorite.
Is my onboarding complete? 3 months. Yeah, we're usually ready for you to finally download the code and get checked up. I hope you completed all the seminars about corporate training and done a few trust balls. Now we're ready. You can just press G in Hexdoc to switch to package S. Oh, nice. That's good to know. Embeds 1 profile. Profile do. Time to upgrade your meeting schedule. Exactly. Now you're ready for the second stand-up every day. Are you trying to make money? Money in 2025? If you're not already a trillionaire, why even try, guys? Come on. I'm doing this for fun, of course. Nil Pointer's trying the underflow strat. Maybe the IRS didn't account for underflow. It's a bold strategy, but it could pay off. Profile. Online dark mode visibility. I mean, this is cool. 150 to $200 week 25 peak career change path experience. There are 2 ways to represent embedded data within a schema. Embeds many, which creates a list of embed, or embeds 1, which creates a single instance of the embed. Your choice here affects the behavior of embed specific, like put embed. See, I still don't really understand change sets, I'll be honest. I tried them before, but I think I'm not doing them right, I feel like. That's what I'm saying. Like I get why they're good, but it seems like I always scuff it. Extracting the embeds. Embeds 1 profile, user profile. You know, for example, there's a lot of functions devoted solely to manipulating profile data. Embedded schema. Prefer Ash resources over change sets? Good to know. User profile, online, Ecto, enum here. Embedded schemas defined such a way to be exclusive or dedicated modules. Oh, interesting. So then it's one it's one field in the database. Cast embed. Got it. That's cool. Visibility can't be blank. Nice. Very cool. Once you haven't written embedded data to the database, you can use increase on the parent schema. From user and user, select u.profile online, u.profile visibility. Oh, cool. Short helper function and kept the state consistent. Yeah. Ash is weird, so I'll have to really use it. Yeah, it's definitely got a lot of its own stuff going on, but it seems cool. Lenovo Legionette is cool. Nice. For fun, you can tell you're trying way too hard to get money by. What? I don't understand. YouTube chat's crazy right now. Are you trying to make money? Then I laughed and then I said, for fun, I don't see it. You can tell you're trying way hard to make money. Bye. I don't understand. Is it because I'm working hard on chess? It's for an event. You track players separately from games. This isn't good, but if it's per game, this would be good. So here's kind of what I'm thinking. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. I don't really know what the flow should be. I kind of feel like log in with Twitch, right? Then we need to do like a create match, right? And you invite another Twitch user, or actually, so here's where you'd have to decide. It's invite another Twitch user is one option. It's play against your own chat, or have your chat play against itself. Okay, so this is where, so maybe it's like we have to decide what kind of lobby the game is first. Maybe that's better, because we're gonna have to do different stuff depending on what we're doing. Which makes sense. That makes sense, right? Because it's like we're gonna have a bunch of different kinds of chess games they can play. So let's do the simplest one first. PvP, PvC, CvC, exactly. Streamer, chat, right? We also have, like S1 chat versus S2 chat, right? Then we also, I want to do one where it's alternating, right? Where it's like S1 plus S1 chat versus S2 plus S2 chat, right? Where you like alternate between these. I feel like this one would be really fun. We're gonna build a scoreboard. What would the scoreboard be? For what? I think this one would be very fun. Is this tabs? Yeah, these are tabs. This is all one NVIM instance, yeah. Like each of these needs to probably create a different kind of lobby for scoring the board. One game per lobby or multiple. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I feel like it's simpler to just do it. Maybe instead of even having a lobby, maybe we don't do lobbies. We just do like we just call them matches, right? Where can I get that? What do you mean? Where can I get that? So S would be a channel. Yeah, like a Twitch channel. Yeah. Chat for chat, same stream, randomized teams or subs or not. Yeah. Oh, I love. We can have alphabet. So it can be like, you know, A through M versus, you know, N through Z. I love subs versus plebs. That's so funny, actually. Have you considered hand and brain games where the brain nominates the piece and hand? Oh, that's a fun idea too. That's a fun idea. That's far away from where we are right now, though. That one would be a lot harder to do. NVIM tabs. This is all like just, you just type tab new and it'll make a tab. I don't know what to tell you. Red Winchester star. I imagine using string.t for ID and not. I will, Ryan. I will. That sounds good. That sounds great, actually. Ryan, can I invite you to this repo and you can just fix it for me? I need my Bitcoin money. Sorry, I mean autocomplete. I'm using cursor, calling it tabs. Oh, that's super Maven. These are all great ideas. So let's think about this. I think we don't even need a lobby, because what we're going to do is we're going to create a match. When you create a match, then it will be prompted for what you want to do next. Right? Because sometimes you need another Twitch user, but sometimes you don't need another Twitch user. You know what I'm saying? Right? Like sometimes you need to invite someone for real. Sometimes you don't. So then that's fine. So then we would need to do different stuff. Okay. So then this whole thing is completely changed now. Completely changed. Let's just do right now. I want to do play against my chat. Let's implement this as the default behavior, okay? Okay, so we have basically like different kinds of lobbies. So we need to make like a kind, basically, right? We have like a field and it's like kind, and it could be, we need a name for each of these, and it's like streamer versus chat. Something like this, right? And then we need something just like data. And that will just be, we don't know yet, but it'll be like streamer versus chat.t. Something like this, right? And we can make a few of these. So we can go like use typed struct. We can go typed struct streamer versus chat, do this. Streamer ID. So this is like Broadcaster ID. Kind. No, it doesn't need that already. It already has kind. That's the only data we would need. Oh, we also need to say how we're splitting this up. No, for streamer versus chat, it's simple, right? It's just literally... Oh, whoops. Module. Oh, we're Miami nice every day, Scotty, but yeah. We can try against, like, play against AI. But this is like, not as likely. Because it's kind of like, you can already do this on chess.com. If you can already do it exactly on chess.com, then I'm not that interested in, like, recreating it, because chess.com is going to be better. Or Lichess, or wherever you like to play chess. I'm not a... But chess.com is not Elixir. True. We're so back. Thanks, Scotty. Okay, so let's say we do this, right? We make a new lobby, and we have streamer versus chat as the kind. So what are we going to do here? We're gonna make a lobby. We're gonna create it. You need to have broadcaster. Do they just call it color? Like, is it just white and black, or is there like is there a fancy chess name for which kind of color you're playing? This is French, but the OS counters it, so it's at the same level. True. Yeah. Only color. Okay. Very cool. It's like Ecto. Where Ecto.enum? Something like this. Does this work? I don't know. Is that? I don't know if that's how you actually do that or not, but we'll try. Using any NeoVim node typing plugin? No, not really. Okay, so let's make a page where we can actually make this lobby. And for that, we're gonna try some vibing. Wait. Open code updated. Restart to apply. Wow, that was a nice experience, Dax. Good job. Why does White go first? Ryan, please, sir. I'm just here to write chess, plugins, and Elixir. Please don't end my career. Please do not end my career. I need a new live view page for my chess web application, Phoenix, by the way, that has a drop-down menu for creating different chess games. The first thing we want in the drop-down menu is to be able to select streamer versus chat. Start with all the right scaffolding, since you are an Elixir expert, and make that really good looking and fit in with the rest of our application. Don't do anything after that. I will guide you on our path forward. Also, check at rules. I think our rules thing is not right anymore, so we'll just start here. Abiga Brett deleted. 11 chess up, big fan of the game. Learning is how to learn Rust building an engine. Well, we're not going to build an engine. Where are you going to deploy this? Probably my computer. My computer is the cloud. Why are we not sticking with lobby? Well, so we are going to make a lobby, but the thing is, I think the lobby has to know what kind of game we're playing. Nightshade, stop banning him. I need to be able to read his messages. 1 minute, we could be very far down the wrong path before Shy Rai gets back and corrects us, okay? I might look like I don't know Elixir if he's banned for more than 10 seconds. It's a dangerous place to be in. It's a dangerous place to be in. Okay. That was weird. Examine it, add a route, blah, 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 terminal chest router. Yes, okay, examine this. I'll create a new live module. Create game live. Come see the violence inherent in the system. Beautiful. I love not having to write Tailwind. Thank you. Perfect. I've created a new live view page for your chest web application. Okay, well, let's see about that. We'll see about that, won't we? Create game. Oh, that's because we broke a bunch of things here. Why did we break things? We need to go back and recompile. Chess events chat move. Oh, right, because we changed everything about how we were building this. Of course. Game.move. Telescope, LSP workspace. I don't remember what this is, actually. Is it diagnostics? I don't remember. Nice. Okay, we'll go here. Chess events. This is match.move. And then this is match update. And then this is ID. Terminal chess game. Oh, right. This needs to be match as well. Oh, and all of these ones where we say fen, I think all of these need to be match, 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 match. Okay. Don't I have match new? Oh, of course, that's lobby. Okay, yeah. Where we have, that's fine. Where we have match.new, that's actually lobby.new, something like this. That's not exactly going to be right once we're done, but it gets us to the right spot, kind of generally. Lobby. Okay. Okay. Are we building the game now? Chess events, match move. Yes. Okay. Where is the next thing we're going? Game.new.broadcast. Ooh, game.new. This is game.lobby. Oh, no. Lobby.new. Lobby. Whoops. Lobby. Pretty sure. What do we have now? Lobby.broadcast.new. Lobby. Oh, right, because I didn't do this. We need to say lobby, and then this is match. So where do we have fen here? We have match, subscribe. Def module term, create game live. Twitch user white not found. Twitch user white. Where are we doing this? Ooh, right, we renamed this as well, but let's actually just go back to events, chess. We'll change this because we're not really ready for this yet. Let's just, for right now, we'll go here. And we'll just say it needs an ID, so we'll do that. That's not right, but that's okay. That's okay. We're getting closer. Streamer versus chat module. Events 11. Really? Where? Wait, what? Def topic lobby, chess lobby. Oh my goodness, create game live? Did it create some modules inside here? No, that doesn't make sense. This seems fine. Create game live, that seems good. Chess events lobby. Redefining module, current version loaded here. Okay, let me just try and restart this because it should tell me a better error message, I think. Events.game.subscribe. Oh, we've got an error earlier. Events game. Right, this is match. This is match, and then we don't need this anymore. Right, that's why. Okay, yep, and then this is match subscribe. Oh no, I need to subscribe to lobby at the top. I keep doing that backwards because it was confusing, but that's good. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Stream versus chat. Play against your Twitch chat. Create game. Pog. Nice. Every time you say it, I think we're doing a regex. Tide wave. Yeah, I will. I am thinking about trying to do tide wave. We may get there. Okay, it's on my list of things to try out. And explore. 100%. 100%. 100%. Okay, so then what happens when I click game? Okay, it actually went to somewhere. It actually went to game. That's crazy. Okay. So let's go to game live. Good job. Open code. Thank you. Create a new chess game. Choose your game type and start playing. Choose how you want to play chess. If selected, select a game type, select a game. Otherwise, drop down open. Sure. I don't really care. I don't care about CSS. Selected game type, drop down here. Assign. Handle event. Well, what are we going to do? No, okay, so this is where we create a game. Excellent. Sorry, I didn't realize you had a game. Xanusbot. Is Xanusbot actually replying in here? Okay, so now we need to actually create this lobby. I think... All right, whoops. Let's go... Okay, great. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Just talking through him. Oh, okay, nice. Look at Beachy Teej. Thank you. Appreciate that. I think. So for now, this is not great, I think, but that's okay. Let's go back to chess events here. And let's go back to as well. Game live. I need to remove this new game stuff. We don't want to do this. Actually, what we'll do here is we need to just redirect. We want to just I don't remember what it is. Redirect to create game. Which is, I think, no reply, push redirect there. Okay, awesome. So if you click this, we're going to go back to create game. That's great. And then we don't have to do this. We'll need to delete this. That's fine. Match, subscribe, game, ID. We're going to need to pass an ID to this game. So Shy Rai, it's time. What do I need to put in here to get your cool... Oh, wow, I love UUID V7. UUID V7. Ryan Winch Esther. Here. We'll put it right here. UUID V7 generate. Use with Ecto. Okay, great. That is what we need to do. The same way to use ecto.uuid. To generate UUIDs for everything, it's easiest to just add that as a default type to your config. We'll have to come back to this later. Start apps before migration. Well, okay, well, we should write this at this point. We're going to need to, let's just figure this out. That's in config. Okay. We don't need that part anymore. Tells me to use his package and has dead docs. Why am I even reading then? Scuffed readme, dude. I rewrote it when Postgres changed their implementation. Okay, so what parts of this are true? That's what I need to know then. What parts of this is actually true? All the rest is. Okay, so I should still put this in here, you're saying. I go to repo here. Config terminal, Ecto repos, config app. Do I even have this? Config terminal. Does it go here? Doesn't go here. Where is terminal.repo even in this? Do I even have this in config somewhere? Config terminal.repo. That's in a runtime. Oh, but that's only if I'm doing shenanigans for prod, I think, right? I don't understand. I just haven't done any config for it yet. Okay. Config terminal.repo, like this. Like this now. This would make it so that now I'm going to use this everywhere. But do I still need to do this for everywhere else, though? Right, if I do this, okay. Can I put this? I haven't even done I haven't put barely anything into the database yet at this point. So I haven't really even had to do anything with this. You can make your own schema modules using that, add to that, right? So if I go to terminal here, if I go to terminal.schema, I can make a schema ex here, right? And I go def module, def module, yo, Louis, here like this, right? Then I can go def macro using like this, right? And then I can say, I could just pop these bad boys in here. So now whenever instead of use ecto.schema, I would use terminal.schema. I would just use that. Okay, now though, the problem is we have to make one module in Gleam, or I'm gonna get fired from twitch.tv. I'm gonna get literally fired from twitch.tv if I don't make one Gleam module right now. Okay, so what's the easiest way for me to make one module in Gleam and really make Prime mad when he finds out that we snuck pseudo Rust into here? Rust 2.0. How can we get Prime really mad we snuck Rust 2.0 inside of this? What if UUID if auto, why UUID if auto increment could just work? Because we're planning to scale to trillions. Okay. Someone asked me earlier, are you trying to make money? Yes, I'm trying to make $1 trillion. Pseudo RS. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Hodl as well. I also want to use to do. I liked typed schema. I used it before. I don't remember what it is. Typed ecto schema. I don't remember exactly. So anyways, we'll get that later. As long as we can keep plushies like Rust has. Louis, where's the guide for using Gleam in Elixir? We're writing Elixir like crazy right now. Okay. Next up, I forgot what we were actually doing before. Right, we were trying to make games. I think Mix is gonna get Gleam Sport in the next release. Seriously? Legit? Because is that not kind of crazy? I mean, does that not just mean I can just put Gleam inside of other things? If I don't import Ecto query in this game, so you just use it if you need it. Got it. Gone. Well, I'll put this here, and then I'll put Ryan says don't import this by default. Only do it when you need it. Okay, that's fine. We'll keep that one for later, just now. Development of culture. I also do that for change set, but that's more debatable. Okay. All right. So okay, so what do we need to do now? We need to create a new game. We need to create a new game of this type. So if I go to chess server, right? What's going to happen? No, not this chess server. I need to change that. Okay, I just go to my, I'll go here. Elixir and Gleam both compile the airline codes. I don't know exactly how the eventually they can run together though. They're chill. I'm not familiar with Elixir. What is it typically used for? Usually for managing phones. Got it. That's a good call. Okay. So we're going to get something here. We're going to get a new lobby message. It says, hey, yo, dog, we got to get a new lobby. We got to get a new lobby. Right. We're going to have a kind. And then we're going to have some options to create it. One-time password? Like trash? Like one time he made up a password and now he uses the same one forever? Okay. Inside of my create game live, we're going to create a new game here, right? So this is going to be something like twitch.chess.events. Oh, terminal.twitch.events. Isn't this right? Where's my... Oh, no, just chess. .events. .lobby.new. Broadcast. And then we're going to go here. So we need to make a new game ID. We say, hey, dog, we got a new lobby. We've got a new lobby. UUIDv7.generate. And then we need to say, in this case, we have broadcaster. Okay, so this is where, all right, so we need these two things. We're going to say, kind is stream reverse chat. And then we're going to go like this, stream reverse chat. And it's going to be broadcaster ID. We need to save this file. Is at current Twitch and this. Oh, dude, that's I forgot about this video. That's a classic. Where's my audio, dude? Where's my audio here? Why am I getting notifications on this? It's a good one. It's a classic, chat.
Taking the trash out. As a programmer.
Oh, man. Can only imagine kids' cringe level at church when you're over there schooling them. I die laughing. About what? I like it. Crying internally. Why? Why hate? Why hate? I don't hate JavaScript. I wrote some. But I do like jokes. I do like joking. Life's too short to hate JavaScript, but it's not too short to make funny jokes about it, okay? Joe Mama. We should probably tweet that. Life's too short to... I forgot that we were sending this today. Life's too short to hate JavaScript, but it's definitely not too short to make jokes about hating JavaScript. There you go. All right. Is this Prime with Elixir? Okay, so this is good. So for right now, we can do this. We pretend we're always just going to pick, we could pick random and we can sort that out later, but this is fine. So this is, we're going to broadcast a new event. And then, so we're going to get, ID is UIDv7 generate. We'll go ID. And then this needs to be /ID. How do I do like this? ID. Now it's going to say dog. We don't have this for game. We need to go to router here. Chess web router. And we need to go to game. And then I forgot how to do parameters inside of this. Is it just /ID, something like this? Router Phoenix. Wait, you're telling me I can just go G Phoenix here, and then I look for router here. Page is page, yes. Okay, so ID, we get a game, and then we have an ID, which I don't really want to call this game anymore because we're calling these a match. Or what are we calling them? We need to decide, basically. Is this a lobby? Is this a match? Oh yeah, you're probably right. Yep. Yeah, good call. Game live. Create game live. Yeah, this should be socket.assigns.current Twitch, something like that. Yep. We would have gotten there. Good afternoon from Sweden. Welcome. Okay, let's decide on the actual names of these here, right? Right, chat? Chess events. Okay. Are we gonna call this a lobby? I don't really even know what I would. This is not really. I think we should do something like this. We should call this. It's almost like actions. I don't know. We'll just call it an action. Something you can do. This is probably the wrong name. Just make it very greppable. We'll replace it later. When I can think of the right name. just replace everything everywhere with this afterwards. That'll be easy. Selection. I don't know what you want to call this though. Because what I want to say is this is going to make a new match. Right? And so then here we say, and then this is end match or something. Right? But I don't know what you would call these. This is like management or something, or create, or topics, or something, or I mean, it's fine to call this game, or we could call this match. But then this, it's just weird to have both of these be in the same, they can't be in the same module called match. That doesn't work. So I want a thing that says, this is like match management, and this is within one match where we're going to like do a move. We're going to update in the match. We're going to do something else like that, right? I mean, we just call it lobby. I think it's easier. We'll just call this lobby. Because we're going to kind of make a lobby. And then inside of the lobby, we're going to do matches. Right? And for now, it just has one thing attached to it. That's fine. Later, we can sort this out. So we'll do a new match. We'll do this. New lobby. And then end lobby. Well, let's call this create and destroy. What do people call it when they do new and delete? Create and delete? I feel like new, create is better than new. And then delete. Right? That's more of like a resource. That's what we would, it's more of like CRUD naming. So that works maybe a little bit better, right? Lobby works. Is it a queue like games? No, lobby is like where a match will be played. And this can have a match inside of it. Init plus handle terminate if you want to refer to gen server. I don't think we're going to gen server a new one every single time. These will all be managed by one server, I think. So do something like this. Lobby, create, and delete. Then we have a match, and we have like a move. And then we have update. So this is like try and do a move, and then this is send the update. So then let's call this, instead of ID, let's call this lobby ID. Because we're calling them lobby up here. And lobby ID here. And then maybe we'll need to do a match ID later for this. Hope and shame. Lobby ID, username. Oh, right. Now I can say instead of here, can I say UUID v7.type.t for both of those? And then this here. Right, Shirai? Oops. Suggestions using the same gen server for everything. You don't want process failure, bring the whole system down. Process isolation is great for you with Beam. Well, I mean, we can get there. We can get there. Don't make me switch to everything being in like 25 different gen servers at the start. We're gonna be okay. There's only gonna be like 5 games played at the same time. All right, we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. Lobby, so we're gonna create and delete. Inside of here, we have a chess match, and it'll have a move with a lobby ID. This seems good so far. Yeah. Okay. What's on reviews? I only have his teacher. Well, we don't need to talk about it. All I know is drama farmers are eating good right now. Okay. Naming convention makes sense. That's what I think too. All right. No drama here. Unless it's making fun of Prime, then that's acceptable. Okay, so now, chat, we don't want to put this here. We don't want to say game idea here. We want to put... Oh, this is chess server. Okay, this one's fine too. I want to go to game live. This is the other one that we're going to have to delete. So we're going to delete game idea here. How do we get this? Routing, page controller show action with this in params. Now we can go like this, and we can say ID is ID. And then this is... ID, and then this is match, subscribe. Yes, we're going to subscribe to all the events for this match. Beautiful. That's all this page cares about. That's all this page cares about. You make fun of Prime here, you won't be able to read it. Exactly. You're safe. You're safe here, chat. There's no Randall to read for him. Okay, where did we have game ID? Here. So this is not right. We're gonna go socket.assigns.id. Alright, that's what we called it, is ID. Oh, we need to go ID. Yes. We should maybe call this lobby ID, but I think it's okay for right now. Inside of this game, it's obvious that this is what it is. But we need to change this to match. Match live. And then this is, instead of game live, this needs to be match live. Or maybe this is like play match live. I don't know, something like that. Hey, thanks for the Prime though. Randall, hey guys, hey, bro, nice bomb. Where are you from? The everything lang. Exactly. Why does his Elixir look like HTML? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. All right, let's go back to... We gotta go back to our router, and then this is game. Wherever we had game before. Oop, wrong router. Okay. This is create match. This is match. This is match live. This will be match live. We'll go here. We'll go here, and then this will be... Okay. Everything's HTML if you think about it. Dang. Terminal chess web. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to say something like chess event lobby. This is not what we called it. Let's try it. We gotta get the compilation going. Mix deps get. Right, because we added this. I don't know what is causing the terminal to get very upset every once in a while, but it's something. It's not the button I meant to press. There we go. Key ID not found in match move. There we go. Okay, nice. Chess server. Right, it was in chess server. 25. Oh, this is lobby ID. Thank you. Good job. Match live. Match live. 105. Yep. Lobby ID. Maybe we should just call it ID. I don't know. Right, now instead of, we need to look for every side lobby.new. Yeah, that's both of these. So that's just, whoops, create. Oops. Then was the other one lobby.end? Right, this will be delete. Okay. Cool flamingo shirt, thank you. Chess events, right. Typing speed isn't matching to teej. Not gonna make it. I don't think so. I mean, I think typing faster is good, but I don't think it's sort of like not a strict requirement. Lobby, streamer, chat, events. There we go, right. It's this one, I'm pretty sure, right? Okay, so we found some typing things that are wrong, but that's okay too. Let's go back to here. Let's go create match. Select a game type. We go here, we create game. No route found for get/game. Oh, right. That's because we changed that. This should be match. Sweet. Nice. I don't know why the chessboard got scuffed in this version versus the other one. But what can you do? Teach multi-streaming? I always multi-stream. Why is that doesn't have Neovim logo? Good question, Backup. We should have some Neovim merch. Okay. So this... Okay, cool. So that failed. Why did that fail? Events match update. We have lobby ID. Match update broadcast. That's fine. This is where we were just switching things. I do feel like I kind of hate that it's called lobby ID inside of there, but I'm also kind of like, I get it. Match live. Oops, match. Lobby ID, socket signs ID. Where was it erroring? What was it? Gen server channel anonymous function here. Handle event. Match update fen library. Key ID not found. Oh, right. Assigns ID. No, that one is good. Where did we go? Match live. Match update broadcast. Push event here. I'm confused. Chess events 38. Match live 105. What is it saying here? Match update lobby ID socket.assigns.id. Is it not socket.assigns.id? ID. Should be getting the ID here. Key ID not found in this. Events 38. Oh, that's because I did. Oh, right, because I changed it. That's so smart of me. I actually did a good job. I actually think I'm not going to do lobby ID because I kind of hate it. Let's go back here. Let's just change this to ID. Let's change this to ID. Let's change this to ID. This one also can go to ID. This one also can go to ID. And this one can also go to ID. I don't like it. That's good. Okay. All right. So now we go back to here. We create a new match. We'll go to here. We'll click this. We click create game. We move this here. It works. If I refresh this page, we don't get the original fen. I don't think. Probably. Yeah. So we're not keeping the fen initially, right? So we need to grab the fen from this here in match live. So let's delete this here. Chess events, subscribe. We need to go terminal.chess. I don't know, server.get fen ID. I don't know, something like this. I'm not sure how you would normally do this. Like I need to grab the fen from here. And they're just inside of this, right? So it's like def get fen ID, handle call, map get this. What will this return? Fen or initial fen. I don't want it. We can't start a page if this doesn't work, I feel like. So to do redirect, we need to say like this page doesn't exist, because we gotta move everything into the right setup now. Undefined module attribute here, but this isn't right, isn't it? Like okay fen or something like that. If I call this, why is it so confused about some of these? Do I have some other typing errors at the top? We should probably try and fix all these. Let's just go mix compile. We'll go mix compile and let's fix these first, and then we'll come back. Okay, we'll try resetting and see if that does better. I'm not happening. Sorry, chat. All right. Twitch auth. Twitch auth. Dashboard. Okay. Live flash. Use flash.get. Twitch login live. Twitch login live. Just phoenix.flash.get. Phoenix.flash.get. Okay. Server ex, and that's in 34. Event.id. Twitch chat.message. Oh, right. This doesn't exist yet. Parse move. Okay, right. So we need to find some way to do ID equals question mark here. To do, we don't know how to get the ID yet for Twitch chat. Right. We don't know how to do that. Why Latin? What do you mean Latin? Oh, right. This function doesn't exist. This function doesn't exist. Because this is, what are we trying to do? We need to figure out, based on the broadcaster ID. Okay, this is where a bunch of stuff has to happen for the lobby. So actually what we're going to do now is we're just going to go here and then say to do chess parsed. Okay, that's good. Because we don't know how to do this yet. That's fine. That's totally fine. Def event move topic is undefined or 0. Did you mean topic 1? Chess events. Chess events. Def event move. ID. Call the missing or private function. Who is calling chess.topic.match? Oh, I got to do this again. Yep, that's fine. That's the repeat thing as of right now, but we don't know how to fix that part yet, so that's okay. Use alias. Okay, I think we should be able to go now that this is actually like working. Will we get all of these? Yes. Okay, so let's go here. Unused. Game ID. Right. Handle info. This is event.id. And we don't want to have a default. So we're going to have to do something to do error when getting wrong or getting dead game ID. I don't know. Or sorry, I should change this to match ID. Ooh, and then I just realized as well, %games, change this to matches. Yo, what's up, Dunch? What do you think about Pirate's Ira lying about his coding skills? I don't want to talk about Pirate. He seems like I've met him in person. He's been perfectly nice to me. He's been a longtime friend of Prime. We're not going to talk or try and farm Pirate drama. He seems like an alright guy IRL. Okay? So I don't know. I don't watch his stream, so I don't have any opinions about it, chat. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to write some code. Believe it or not. Get legal moves. Get legal moves. Did we not make this function? Get legal moves. It takes a fen. Should be good. Coding on Twitch? Based. Thank you. Game ID. Right. Okay. Yep. So we need to go to server 77. Game ID. This should be event.id. Yep. That's good. And then this should be event.id. Yep. That's good. Fired and listed block words. I'm not gonna block people from asking. I get why people are asking. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get why people are asking, because it's literally like you could just refresh YouTube's page and it's like new 5 million hit video about it. I'm not gonna like ban anybody for asking, as long as they're like actually properly just asking. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna like, we're just gonna not talk about it, which is fine. Like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care. Core components. Just, yeah, you can just go watch someone else. It's fine. Like, which I don't, that's what I'm saying. I don't really care that, it's just, he's been perfectly nice to me. So I'm not gonna be like, yeah, guys, I can farm this for so much hate. Yeah, it's so cool. Push redirect, push navigate. It is this the same function? I don't get it. The drama tubers keep things going unnecessarily. I mean, it's pretty necessary for them. They are farming right now. But yeah. Two, I'm gonna write some of that sweet epic clarity and caboodle. Oh no, Nikas. What do you think about 1600s era piracy along the Atlantic coast? Pretty terrible, huh? Does sound bad. Please farm views so you can pay me. Yeah, exactly. How can we leverage LLMs for drama content? I'm pretty sure people already are. Yeah. How does one get cracked at software development? You just got to write a lot of code and try a lot of things and not be afraid to ask questions and read docs. That's the serious answer. Terminal chess.server.get legal moves. I swear we have get legal moves. Oh, it's from the move server. Right. So we have get legal moves. That's a different spot now. That's one that exists, right? Move server. Is that not what it's called? Move server. Could you imagine how much better we off if people farmed potatoes instead of views? Guys, like, it's not, I know people like to pretend, oh my goodness, drama tubers are the first ones that have ever, you know, like farmed content. Guys, walk in your grocery store, go in the checkout line. Literally, drama tubers have existed since before the internet created. You know what I'm saying? Like, this has been around since the beginning of time. What's the proverb? It's something like I don't know exactly what it is, but it's like a gossip told in secret, right? Goes down like sweet honey, right? People have been gossiping and talking about people since the beginning of time. See new video. Set theoretic types with whole. Did Jose drop a new video? I haven't watched the new one. Link it. Log. Dodge drama success. It's very easy to dodge drama. You just say, I don't really feel like talking about it, and give a good reason why you don't like to. 4 days? Oh yeah, send me. The difference is I can scroll the gossip on my metric rectangle. Exactly. That's the only difference, bad cop. YouTube definitely didn't start it. People eat up drama. Yes, exactly. People will want to watch burning attacks simply to watch it burn. Yep. If I was just writing like my own thing, I had unlimited time, and I could like timeline was no issue. I would rather write OCaml. But like if I want to ship something within this year, then I'm gonna use Elixir. I like Elixir a lot though. It's just that I really like OCaml. You know what I'm saying? If the type system is as good as I think it will be for Elixir, then that may change. You know what I'm saying? Attribute class must be a string. Is like class list or something like that? Can I do this? Is that the one? I don't know if that works. Class list. How do I put these together as a list? Okay, Emily's a long way in the last couple of years with Leo and Sabine's work. Yeah. Tell me when I can do mixphoenix.new and it works on everybody's machine, and I can easily compile and send a new Tailwind and bundled JavaScript thing to the front end, and it works right away, and I can deploy it. Like, I'm not saying they haven't been pushing it forward. Obviously, I've been supporting them a lot. Like, I love that about it, right? But like, we just got to be honest with the situation, right? Shirai, how am I supposed to fix this? I don't know what this error means. Well, not this one. When it was just class, it was telling me this needs to be a string. Is that true? Look, 3 lines above. Class, if selected this. Yeah, but this doesn't... I can go... I can't... Do I need to just do it this way? It can be a list, and it should be converted. Okay. Under my attribute class... Whoops, I'll recompile here. The icon might be overriding class adder. Okay, so I can go core components, chess web, def icon, here. So we could go... We just fix this to say this here. Right? Oh, I see. Class. So then I need to say string. Do I say string or list? How do I do this? I don't know how to write this here. This way. When is list? That doesn't work, right? Can I just put list and list? Hey, wait, is that fine? Will this work if I put a list inside of here? Is this smart enough to do a list and an embedded list here? I guess we can find out. Use this, in my opinion. Oh, that's pretty cool. I could buy this. I could buy this as well. We're not going to do it right now, but I could come back to this. Okay. Okay. No match on right-hand side. Okay, Fen. Oh, it just returns. It doesn't return. Okay, got it. We click this, we go here. So now I've got this thing here. I go here. It didn't work because I didn't put it in the right spot. When I refresh this page, we're not going to get that because we haven't actually saved the fen anywhere. Chess server. No, we don't want to do that. I want an error if this doesn't exist. Yeah, we're gonna do this. So now this will, I don't know what this will do. Well, it didn't do what I thought it would do. Error not found. I thought that this would say I didn't find you. What would you do if suffer partial finger paralysis, couldn't code anymore forever? 1 year. My main thing I would do, I would start, like, how bad is the finger paralysis? There are some absolutely crazy, like, voice directed programming setups. Or possibly, like, I would think about going really hard on AI. No joke. Even if it's just, like, you're literally directing everything. Legit, it could be better. This is awesome, WM, for the person who asked earlier. Like, it's not like you literally have to just vibe it, but you could be like voice to text to cursor on the side and being like, cursor, go to this file and update this thing exactly like this. I want it to do this, blah, 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 blah. Don't do anything else. No mistakes. I would seriously think about doing something like that. You know what I'm saying? You deduct Emacs. I had an accident. I'm basically out of it for a year. That's tough. That's definitely tough. Both hands, like you can't do anything. Don't do anything else. No mistakes. Exactly. Get ID. I want no ID. Oh my goodness. That's stupid. It'll never happen. There you go. That's why that didn't work. Okay, wonderful. So now we have match, not match. Now I'm getting OCamled. Now I'm getting OCamled. Okay, fen, like this. Okay. So now we go here and we say case. Something like this. I don't know. We'll go here. We go to here. We click create game. Now we delete this. We should go to create match. Wonderful. I should do phoenix.flash. No match found with this. That's not it. Get. What was the flash thing that we did earlier? Flash. Phoenix.flash.get. I don't know how to do that. Phoenix.flash.get socket signs. I don't know. Just use put flash. Put flash. Okay, so we go here. This would create a new match. We go like this. Oh, but I think I don't have this in my like route or something like that. I gotta go to my layouts, chess web app. Oh no, it says it right here. I mean, maybe it did and I just couldn't see it. Does it work on a redirect? I don't know. You don't reassign the socket. Oh, thank you. Yep, good call. Good call, good call. That's a classic for a noob like me. No match found. Wonderful, thank you. All right. Easiest, or I can go like this. Socket, put flash, put redirect, boom. That's the cool way to do it. That's like, wow, this guy, he knows what he's doing. This guy's so cool. Giacomo. What's up? Pipes. I know, now I look, wow, this guy's very cool. What's up, Ember? Wanna go outside? All right, I gotta go take doggo outside. Ember, come here first. You gotta come say hi to chat. Ember, come here. Up. Wait. No. Come here. Wait. Okay, let's go outside. All right, I'll be right back.
No, it's just Chuck Testa.
Share stream. Should have put on a YouTube video of someone else's content. Cheers. Why is everyone so excited about share stream? Dang it. What window managers? It's awesome WM. Saw someone was writing utility functions for OK value and air value, so you could simply pipe the socket into it. Oh, that's a cool idea. Do not support streamer. You mind forwarding the link to YouTube chat? What link, Carl? Oh, this video. This one. This must be from a little bit ago. Sorry. I ran away and went to the bathroom. This one, probably. That link, I'm assuming. We hate streamers. Did you let the dog out? Yeah, I took dog out. Now she... And then she also noticed, oh, hey, it's almost lunchtime. The kids are dropping food upstairs. So she doesn't want to sit in my office anymore. So, yeah. So she's upstairs now. Okay. Let's see here. Do not feed to streamers. Okay. So now we've got this. Handle call, handle info. We're not going to do anything with Twitch chat messages yet. We're not sure what to do here. I just realized while I was upstairs, we can't do this. Move and update. This doesn't make any sense. These are completely different things. This is like def topic, like live or something. This is like chess live or something. So this doesn't make sense to be here. I feel like this needs to be def topic live, chess live, something like this, right? That's the same thing that I had there. And this needs to have ID like this, right? Username, move. Yeah. Okay. Because we don't actually want to subscribe to the same things here. I just realized because in match live, we don't want to subscribe to moves. We only want to subscribe to updates, which is good. But then the thing that we need to do is when we generate this is actually going to be, yeah, this is right. This is right here. Okay. That's good. Close your account. Google's how to remove Twitch subscription. That's funny. Teachers produce. I have 3 children. Yes, of course. What? Chat. 3 of them. Nope. Not for me. Not for me. That's the wrong stream. So you can see Prime stream for that. Okay. So now what do we need to do? When we go to new unpaid intern here, that's all right. That's all right. No problem. No problem. It's understandable. Broadcast. When we create a new lobby, we're going to create a match here, set it to default fen. We delete this. And when we update, we're going to get a fen update and put this here. Okay, so that's actually good. So is this the first time now where we go to create match? What do we got here? Info, chess events, match, move. Right. Match, move. That's not right anymore. We need to go match, move. Is actually not match move, but this was live.move, right? That's the thing that we need to do here. Yep. We're going to have to handle that part separately later. Okay, so we do this. We click here. We click stream versus chat. We click create game. So what I want to do is let's duplicate this, right? So now we've got this in 2 pages, right? If I update this here, it should update on the other page for free. Yep. Updates on both pages for free. No problem. We go here. We update these pages, no problem. Now when I refresh the page, dang, what happened there? I was hoping to see when we refresh the page, what happens when I do like, when I do this? Does this get to the right state now? It does. So it doesn't get the correct fen right away when we're calling this directly. Are we saving this correctly into the state? Match put event.fen. Yeah. Okay, so that part doesn't make sense. Why in match live? Shouldn't this be getting the fen from here? Get fen. This replies get fen. Yep, here. Get state machine. Error not found. Okay, fen. So why is it when I oh, because when we do this initially, I don't think we ever set this. Okay, so this is because inside of match live, I don't think we ever update the chessboard state. Initially, we never send that as a thing that needs to happen. So that must be like a mounted thing. That's got to be mounted. Phoenix hook chessboard. So that's, I think, I don't have this happening yet. Chess web TS. We have a mounted thing here for chessboard. Right. How do I set this? How do I don't know how to get this into the state of the JS thing. I mean, we could put it as like data fen. We could grab it for when we mount it, maybe. Bit lonesome in here in YouTube chat, holding strong. Carlo, Aaron, thank you for holding down YouTube chat. I appreciate that. Legacy children underperform compared to new gen. It's just Moore's Law. Exactly. I don't know what child V4 went. Not sure yet. The youngest isn't even a year yet, so we're there. You can use data attributes for initial load. Okay. So let's say we do this, and we say... I mean, we can update this every time, right? So data.fen is at fen, right? Like this. I could do something like this. That gets the fen inside of there, okay? Then, how do can I access that with mounted? I don't really know. That's the part I don't really know how to do, right? Data. How can I get this.l equals instance of this of element. So I could go this.l it's like data set fen, right? Like this, right? This.l dataset.fen. I'm pretty sure that's what happens, right? So we can const fen is this, right? Should back from orthodontist. We can resume the stream now. We've been waiting for you, dude. That's like the scene from The Office. What episode is it where good morning from Michigan? Same, Aaron. Where in Michigan? Whereabouts? I'm in Michigan. Roy takes Pam out and then they just waited for her to start the meeting. So funny, dude. So funny. Southwest? Oh, nice. I'm in the greater Grand Rapids area. Aaron, quick, what's your soch? Credit card info? Mother's maiden name? All right, so I think when we do this, chess game, const, do we have a starting fen? I think we can just make this. We can say fen string, and then we go this initialize board. This needs to take a fen string, and this takes, there's got to be like a new chess board position fen, something like this. No. Oh, yeah. It's just this. Fen. Okay, that's good. That's good. New chessboard. Yeah, that's fine. That's just TypeScript. It's just complaining for no reason, but we don't care about that. Fen. And then we go to here. Where did we get the fen? Did we actually pass this in? We did not. So we'll pass this in here. Fen. I also don't care about you. I don't care about you. We make those problems go away. So now when I refresh, chat, we've got it. We've got it. Nice. We move this. Oh, but it doesn't correctly calculate which player is currently going from that. I didn't think about that. Why Elixir and not OCaml? Phoenix, Ecto, etc. Gen server. Should I avoid this to the usual address? Feel free. You can send it to Prime's house. You can find my details on the webs. I'm a Google user. Nice. Okay. So that's part of the problem. Chess. Oh, probably we need to go when we make the game. We probably need to do the same thing here, which is this game new chess. This dot game dot set fen. No, that's not it. Probably just load, right? I think this is probably it. This loads fen string. Yep. Okay. So that's good. So now when we refresh this, if we move this, that's good. Refresh this, that's good. It already moved over here. We move here, we refresh now, it should be white's turn. And then we can move black, we refresh, can't move black, can move white. No, that's already inside of the fen, Hamza. Actually, the fen already tells you whose move it is.
Very good. You've given so
It was
much
just that we didn't
thought.
update all of
Yes,
our front end
I do.
state from this because we never do loading. We'd never done loading it before. We'd never done loading. So now we're there. Now this will move across things, which is cool because we can literally go like this. No, we'll go here and here. So we go like this, right? Wow, responsive design. Did you guys see that? Very cool. Very cool. When we move a piece here, en passant. Just kidding. That's not the en passant spot. I moved him too far. I wasn't paying attention. Wait, are we? We're not in check, are we? We need to go here, and then I can go here, and then en passant like that. There we go. What did you use for the chess engine? Well, there's a chess.js is what we're using as the thing that does the logic. It's not, I don't know if you'd really call it an engine. Right? So we're just getting all of this for free for picking Phoenix, basically. You know what I'm saying? Like, you pick Phoenix, and then it's good. Very cool. Yeah. Nice. You can do that with JS too. I know you can do it with JS, but would I have had fun? No. Would it scale? No. But probably, yeah. What type of chess am I playing? Probably it would be fine, no. Honestly. It would be fine, but I wouldn't have had fun. Okay, that's fine. Go for it. I dare you. Gonna do it? Gonna do it? It actually kind of does scuff my board because I already moved this here. I should have waited and kept my king there. That was a bad move by me, but instead maybe we'll try and push here instead. This classic move, that's fine. He's going to take here, and then I'll be sad. But it's all right, because he can't do anything about it afterwards. I've been disconnected. No, I must be connected, right? It looks like I'm connected. We'll see. His time's still going down. Should I refresh the page? I'm worried. Okay, okay, he moved. Okay, he moved. I'm literally just making random moves right now. I'm just making random moves. I'll be honest. Completely random. What you gonna do now, bucko? What you gonna do now? What's even happening this game? Chat, do you guys like that move? You guys like that move? I actually think it's kind of good. I actually think it's kind of good. That part was not good. I didn't think that all the way through. I didn't think about that part all the way through, honestly. I didn't think about that one all the way through. Okay. Did not think about that one all the way through. But we recovered. We recovered, Chad. I'm still gonna get his rook. He's making me real nervous here. I'm gonna go here. I'm up one piece. I'm up one piece, bros. He's gonna try and go to here. I'm gonna go to here. I think he doesn't see this. What are the odds he does? Oh no, he definitely sees this one, but does he see this one? I don't know. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna keep chilling. I'm just gonna keep chilling. I'm gonna try and not fork myself. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try and not fork myself. Will it happen? Nobody knows. He's running out of time. He's running out of time. Oh, nice move. That's a good move. I failed. I failed on that one big time. I failed on that one big time. Should not have moved there. But he's going to run out of time, so it's fine. We're going to win. I'm gonna, yeah, see, it's fine. It's fine. I don't need to take anything. Guys. It doesn't matter. You just fluster him. Fluster him, chat. Fluster him. See? He's running out of time. I was gonna win on time. You guys see this? That's a W! Play the opponent, not the game! Play the opponent, not the game, chat, okay? This... I'm not 400 elo for nothing. Try playing 10-minute. Well, if I was playing 10-minute, I would think more. Okay. If I was playing 10-minute, I would think more. Okay. All right. Anyways. He was trading it for time, exactly. 475 and 3-minute blitz. That's the only mode I play, Chad. I'm not interested. Shake my head, no review. No review. It's just gonna say 5 blunders with a W. By the way, Ilzana, thanks for the raid. All right. Where were we? Link.chess.play. Dang it, beast, go. New game. We click here, we go here, we click create game, we're here. We should still have the previous match available to us, right? We go here, and then we make, I just make sure that we're getting an actual new game every time. Create match, right? These should be completely separate from each other. Zzz. Oh, we'll move this guy here. So we got this one here. We'll create a new game here. Create game. Right, these are different. Yes, I move this piece here. Let's make it very obvious. Wonderful. They're completely different. Break the opponent with mind games, shock him with a bad move, and when he's in awe, his clock will run out. That's literally what happened. +8. That's an easy +8, chat. That's an easy +8, okay? Except there's always one unambiguously best move determined solely from the position. That's not true at my elo. Okay? That's not true at my elo. All right? There's a lot of unambiguously bad moves, and we pick between them. You wouldn't understand, guys. You wouldn't understand. I'm vibe chessing. I play blindfold chess, not because I know what moves to do, but because it doesn't make a difference. Please make the best move. Say yes. It's actually considered cheating. You're sandbagging, you're just under 50 chess games, so your actual rating is deflated. Well, I've played, I mean, we can just look. How do I go to my history? I like, legitimately, I'm okay at chess. I'm okay at chess. Below. Puzzles, learn, play. Game history. Right here. Like, I have 250 games of, I guess, apparently, of 3-minute blitz. I'm having fun, though. I mean, it's not good when I play at 2 a.m. Let's just say that. But if I played, like, he's more than 1,000 elo. If I played, like, 10-minute or 30-minute, I would play better chess, guys. That's just part of the whole point of the game. But I'm not that good. I'm just okay. I know how the knight moves. Yeah. Why chess.com and not Lead Chess? Far superior even in codebase? I don't know. Let's go. If you beat me, I'll quit Elixir. That doesn't sound like a good move for me. I'll play 1-minute blitz against you. Because there's a chance you'll blunder. But no, I'm okay. We gotta be done soon anyways. 1-minute bullet, sure. Well, I don't know all the names. It doesn't really matter to me. What were we doing? Oh, wait. No, we're actually in a good spot. I'm bad. Don't waste your time on me. Okay, nice. Did someone say elite chess? Elite chess? I got the ads. Can someone type the response in chat? What was the chess? Why chess.com? There's literally no particular reason. No particular reason. The response, nice. So now we do actually have it working where we create a new lobby. That's good. We need to do something like keeping track of which Twitch chats need to go to which matches. Right? Yeah, I know it's written in Scala. It's cool. I've seen the guy making it on Twitch. He's seems like a nice guy. Scala. So here's what we need to do. We need to do something here where we need to check basically chat to matches. Something here, right? Default fen. This is how you describe the beginning of a chess. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook, pawn, 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 nothing, 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 pawn, 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 rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook, white's turn. I don't know what that means. Something like that. But it's the initial chess position. Right, yes, right. I'm saying this, but he has particularly for this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, particularly for this one. Yes, it is a way to describe chessboards. That's what we're using as... Oh, which... Oh, nice. King side, queen side, king side, queen side. Got it. Nice. Now you need to decide which live you should be able to make a move so you can't do moves for the opponent. Right. That's true. That's a good point. We need to be able to do that. Let's try and build the one just where I play against chat and chat's first move gets selected. That's because that's the easiest one to do where we have this interaction, right? So basically, when we make a new chess lobby create, right? This is going to have a kind and some data. So when we do this, we have to go something like case event.kind do streamer versus chat. Well, we can just go here. We're going to add some of these later. We can just go no reply. Whoops. Whoops. Sorry. Anything else is just no reply state for now. That's fine. And then we delete this here. Matches. dot put. Yep. And then this should be, we get a new event ID. We're going to create this. We create a new lobby here. What are we going to do? We need to also do something with chat to match here. Can I not put both of these in the same? Can I? Oh, wait. It's probably like a comma, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Hey, teach you put me out of my misery so I could quit and tell everyone you made me do it. Oh, dang. Starting drama. Drama. Wow. Been playing chess for years. Never thought about Fen being human readable. That's funny. Got him. Enjoying being put out of your misery. Thanks, Dan. Put chat to match. We're going to put broadcaster ID to the event ID. Okay. So this is good. This is what we want to do. Now we've updated that this match has been created. We're going to do this here, and then we're going to subscribe. We're also going to do these for ourselves, right? Info, lobby, delete, match, update. Here, okay. So then when we get this, what are we going to do? We're going to have, where is the Twitch chat message? Right. If we can go, we can say event or lobby ID, right? Is this not how, oh, right. With has to always start on the same line. I forgot that. With ID, map, fetch, state, chat to match, event.chatter, user ID. Okay, so that's fine. So if we don't have a lobby for this, we're not going to do anything. That's good. Then if this is parsed for one of these, then we'll use that. So now we try and do something here. So we need to know what kind of match this thing is. Right, so it's probably not enough to just have a fen. We need to kind of be tracking like, yo, what kind of match is this? Because we're going to have to do something different. You've reached pro level and you can picture a board by reading chess notation. I hope I never get that good at chess. Could use a registry to save channel name, match ID association. What is registry? Hit me with the link. It doesn't exist if I don't get a hex docs link, okay? All right. Terminal chess terminate. Key chat to match not found. All right, I got to restart this. I got to restart it because we updated the initial state. Okay. Try right. Check this out, dude. Check this out. Create a game, create match, okay? We'll split this and go to the same thing. Ready? Boom. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Don't send me Elixir 1.12. Dev Ninja, you're killing me. You're killing the SEO. You're killing the SEO. Can I just go to Elixir here? Will it take me to this? Nice. Registry. Module. Okay. Local decentralized scalable key value process storage. Google choose the version. I know! That's what I'm saying. You're killing the SEO. Everyone's clicking 1.12. Man, I've been using Elixir for 10 years. This is weird. Is this full on live view? Yeah, it uses live view for all of the state management stuff. Pesky job keeps distracting me from Twitch. Duh. Look up one or more processes with a given key. If the process is unique, has duplicates. Registry, start link, keys unique, my name, app.registry. Name, app registry, agent. Start link. Git, update, here. Okay. Oh, this is if I was using this to store stuff. Okay, we could think about this, but I don't think we want to do that. Yeah, take. Yeah. Okay. So now when we create a new match here. Okay, this is where if I was cool, I would be trying to do like observer start, but I think I don't have this loaded yet, right? How do I gotta put this in my application. It's like extra apps or something like that. Or that's in mix. I can put this into extra applications. Do I just do observer? Something like this, right? I restart this. Now this will add Wix. The thing that makes websites? Now I can go start here, right? Could not find Wixy driver. Do I need to do mix deps.git or something? I don't, dude. Something has been scuffing that. Apt. Sudo apt install Wix? What was it mad at that I couldn't find? Wixy driver. Wix widgets. Wix widgets? WX 3.0? Well, okay, well, you don't know exactly. We're gonna yoink this. Okay. Fix this. I use Mac. Erlang Wix. All right, well, I mean, I run sudo commands without checking it. Oh, is there something? I'm not using ASDF though. I'm using mise and plos. It just lists the depths. It says I don't have that. Lib GT lib WX GTK 3.0. I'm on Pop OS if that matters. Didn't I make? Oh, I never did like a make the version thing. More like Poop OS. Got him. I forgot what I need to do with Mise Tamil. Mise Tamil? This links. Yeah, okay, all right. I'll check it one sec. This just reminded me that I should do this again. Right? You know what I mean? I should probably actually put this at the root. Anyways. Mise Tamil, you? Tools? Erlang. I don't think that's the Erlang version I want to do. I think I'm on a pretty Tom L. What do you guys want me to say? I don't remember what Erlang version I'm actually on here. Earl C version? I don't know. We just picked the newest one, probably, right? .28.0? Is that good? Oh, Elixir version. Gotcha. Well, 27, but 28 is out. Should I be using 28? Don't use OTP 28. Got it. Use 27. 27. Can I do 27.3.4.1? And then I think it is, we did Elixir. 1.8.14? Pog crazy. OTP-27. Something like this, right? Can I do 27 dot latest or something with this? Is there a way to say like 27 dot newest? I don't know if that's a thing. Should probably just not do that though. We just pick these exactly right. 4. Which is fine. That's fine. OTP 27, right? I want to do this basically, right? Me say install or something. Me say trust. Me say trust. You say trust. Me say install. Bruh. 27 most recent. Is that real? It's literally says me say. That no, okay. I didn't think so. Me say good, teej. Hey, look, WX widgets. Wait. No. What does it say here? Must be installed on your system. Please check WX config is in path. The directory where installed is in WX widgets 3.2.0.2 or above. You're trolling me. No. Coming from the guy who's friends with the guy who says that it's pronounced squeal and Jason. No, it couldn't possibly be. It could not possibly be we're saying it wrong. Oh, man. Will adding universe screw up anything else in my install? That makes me nervous. The universe is pretty big. Me say Jar Jar Binks. Exactly. Thank you. Finally someone understands. No. Okay. All right, so we need to do all of this quick to get this working. What could go wrong? What could go wrong, chat? Beep boop doo da boop doo. Beep boop doo da ba doo dee. Be doo 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 doo. Ba da ba da doo 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 doo. But I don't have that one. That's what when I just tried that before. It couldn't find this. That's what I'm saying. What up, Wilson? Auto-tune at the ready? This is just my real voice. Auto-tune made me hungry. You expect me to pay attention? Yeah, that's okay. Pop OS WX GTK install. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe there's something here. Sudo apt not found. Oh my goodness. Okay. Still getting this. All right. We'll think about this more in a sec. Probably, do I need to rm-f my build here too? Right, I just got a completely which Elixir. Yeah, okay, nice. It'll do it itself. App search lib. Oh, okay, smart. Oh, I'll try that one next, Zach. You've now just absolutely solidified, I'm going to say me say forever. Just so you know. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. This is your fault. I'm going to tell everyone Zach Daniel told me it's pronounced me say. The Ash guy. That Ash guy told me. Chat's gonna back me up on it too. They're gonna say it's true. It's true. I'll send say $500 to you and now I'm blown away. That's not worth it. That's not worth it at all. Ubuntu 24. All right, we'll try this. We'll try this. Could not find. What's the number? I don't know, but I wouldn't ask for it. Did I not do this? I do have build essential, pretty sure, yeah. Yeah, I've run that before. Yeah. Oh, yeah, right. Sudo apt. What's the search command again? I forget. I always forget what it is. Apt. It's just apt search, right? We say lib wxgtk, something like this. Of course, GTK 3.0 dash GTK dash 3 dash 05. Right, of course. Of course, chat. Of course, why didn't I think of that initially? What OS distro are you using? I'm on Pop OS. Can I force a reinstall, or will this work now? Doesn't it probably need to go back again and do this? I'm assuming that it needs to go back and like reinstall this. I'm not sure. Why 05 and not dev? I don't know. 05 seems good. We can I guess we can just try. Oh, right. That makes sense. That makes sense that I need to actually... Now that you say that... That actually makes sense that I need to install dev. Just let Claude figure it out. Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. Oh my goodness. Stupid. I don't know what is going on. Something in this setup right now is making it so that my... my terminal gets jacked up after I run Phoenix, and I don't know what it is. Phoenix. So I probably need to reinstall these. You say reinstall maybe? There's got to be like reinstall. Reinstall. Force reinstall. Where was that? Reinstall. Force reinstall. Yeah, we should have that. Mise install -f. Erlang. Okay, Dan, I'm hoping. Did you badmouth the OTP? Dangerous. Very dangerous. Application disabled. Application information. Widgets was not compiled with enable WebView or WX WebView is non-installed. WX WebView will not be available. Well, that seems wrong. That's probably what I needed to change here. I'm assuming. What was that force? Curl config with WX after it will Wix driver correctly. We'll try again in a sec. I installed that. I did install that. I went back and I installed that one. Oh, no, I didn't do that one. I see what you're saying. We should just cancel this now. I didn't do the web view one here. Got you. I got you. I really should be writing down which one of these we added here, I'm assuming. So let's go back to README. And we need to say for Wix observer stuff, you needed to install some things. I don't know the Arch packages. Sorry, Prime. He might already have it installed, honestly. Okay, nice. We'll just link here. And we'll just paste that in. Okay. Nice. All right. Nice. This is where if I was cool, I would make a Gobon version as well. I don't know what that means, Brian. From a while ago. Now I'm going to break his system on that one. What's new? Nick's arc when? Probably never, honestly. That's my guess. Nice. Very cool. So now I've got all my applications. So we could click to this is something from terminal, right? Oh, Marky went. That's much more likely. Chess server. I can click on this guy. Chess server. Messages. Dictionary. Stack trace. State. Very cool. So now, chat, we go back to here. We refresh this page. We click stream chat, create game. Do I like refresh this? How do I get this to... Shouldn't this have a chess state inside of it now? How do I make sure that this gets refreshed? Refresh. Control R. Got it. Dang, that's cool, chat. Put this in my Zish RC. Okay, I'll come back to that. I'll come back to that later as well. View, can I make this bigger? How can I change the font size of this, chat? So that you can actually read it. I can read this. Look at this. Matches. Dude, that's so cool. Very cool. Look at, we can see exactly how many matches we have. We go back to create match here. We click a new one. We click create game. Now we control R this. Look, 2 matches, chat. I tried control plus, but it didn't seem to work. Very cool. Good job, Elixir. Good job, Elixir. We just get that for free. We just get that for free. Stupid GK app. True. But that's okay. All right. Oh, man. I gotta go. Oh, my goodness. I gotta go. It's 12:30. Okay, we're in an awesome spot. We can play games now. And we're really good at chess. We're really good at chess. We're really good at chess. Oh, whoops. I forgot that I can move here. We'll make this worse. Now it's checkmate, but we haven't written anything there. We need to do something to make it checkmate. Stand up today? Today's a Monday? No, I don't think so. Yeah, sorry, Zombie, sorry. Who's online? Better Software Conference. Oh, yes. All right. Catch you guys later, chat. We'll be back tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit lighter streaming this week. Because me and Prime are going to SF for a few days. We'll try and do some goofy streams, at least maybe when we're there. Maybe we'll do like a late night Balatro stream or something like that. How to end up the LM Balatro project? Didn't finish. We are going to come back to it though. I've just been doing a few other things with Prime. So there, when's music video? My guess is August. IRL streams? Maybe, yeah. Okay, I gotta go. Catch you guys later, chat. I should hopefully be back tomorrow. Hopefully. Okay, bye. Thanks for your help, everybody. See you guys later. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Bye, X.com, the Everything application.